Alright folks, it's Ramsey here. This is the PRGuino. It comes in this plastic project box and it takes a full-size SD card, plugs into the tape port. Okay, let's turn it on. Then I'll do shift run stop. I'll press space here to load the browser. And this is our browser, and we can go into folders in and out easily. I have a few games here. Let me show you something a bit small first, see how fast it loads. This is a recorder adjustage and it loads instantly. Okay, let's load up the browser again. Try something a bit bigger. There is hard and heavy. It had tricks on it, 25 kilobytes, so it should take a couple seconds to load. There it is. Let's try something else. Let's go to the Netherworld, 36 kilobytes. Should take about 4 seconds. Here is 1, 2, 3. About 4 seconds. Yep. It also loads the Tapecart files, which are TCRT files. Let me show you one of those. Let's go into TCRT folder, and it's the slideshow.